to show you how you can mount the start times bracket on the wall, okay, using drilling machine. First of all, when you place the bracket on the wall, you first of all do the marking and make sure that here is vertical. It's vertical, okay? So you just do the marking on the wall. Do the marking. So after that, I have this, okay? I have this to be used. That's a 4 screw bolt and 4 expansion pipes. That is what I will be using to mount it on the wall, okay? All right. That's the third one. Finally, is the fourth one. Okay. So this is very, very strong. This is very, very strong. Then having done this way, you now use the spanner size 10 to tighten up here. Tighten it up. Tighten up the base. Tighten up the base. Yeah, this is very, very strong now. Very, very strong. While here is vertical. This is vertical. So this is how to mount a satellite bracket on the wall using drilling machine. So if you like this video, I encourage you to subscribe. Thank you very, very much for watching.